In a world overrun by Tumblestones, 1 king, and 6 queens, and 4 other kings, and a sausage come together for battle. Tumblestone Battle. Tumblestone, the first original action puzzle game of the past 15 years. Featuring action-packed competitive multiplayer, online matchmaking, enormous single-player campaign with 12 worlds, boss battles and midpoint challenge levels, captivating story, play as a sausage, ranking and XP system, handcrafted puzzles, score-based arcade modes including Heartbeat, Marathon, and Infinipuzzle, global and friend-based leaderboards, hundreds of unique quests and medals to earn. Play as a sausage, an infinite amount of procedurally generated puzzles, bots of varying difficulty trained with machine learning, hundreds of stats, multiplayer match customization, multiplayer puzzle race mode, multiplayer battle mode, multiplayer tug-of-war mode, 5 different colors of Tumblestones. 40 plus hours of single player campaign, global and mode, a dozen characters, backgrounds, and soundtracks to unlock. Modifier of the day, raining balls, lay as a sausage with a hat, shock blocker, chocolate blocker, color lock, sprawl, staggering lock, row shift, double shot, column flip, second shot pass through, overworn combinations of modifier mixing. Play as a sausage. Tumblestone completely reinvents the matching genre into a deep and cerebral puzzle-solving experience that you won't ever forget. The fate of the entire Tumble world is in your tumble hands.